this video, we are going to continue with how to check internet status on Kali Linux. Before you perform any internet related operation on Kali Linux, it is essential to ensure that you have internet access on the machine. So, to check if you have internet access, type this command: ping google.com. Since Google is always up and running, type -c, which is the count option, and how many times you would like it to run. 5 times. Hit enter. When you get this response from your operation, it shows that you have internet access. 5 packets received. It means that the server received your request this number of times. Our next operation is how to install applications on Kali Linux. We are going to use the apt-get command to install applications. The application we are going to install is a text editor called gedit. So to install applications using apt-get, this is the command: apt-get install and then the application name. In this case, we are installing gedit and we are supplying the Y option so it can go ahead to install without seeking our permission. Hit enter to run. The gedit application has been successfully installed. We are going to perform these other operations as we go on in the course because they are hands-on and practical based. See you in the next lecture.